How's it going there, YouTube? Well, I got a big 80 update for you guys today. Had a little bit of time to tinker out in the shop, and I'm just gonna skip the mumbo jumbo and get right into it. Oh yeah, check that out. Yeah, I know there's some water dripping out of the pump seal. I gotta either spin the packing nut some more, or I got to repack that water pump. Not too hard to do. It's been done before. Anyway, I got the clutch back together in this tractor last weekend. I just put this plate on here loosely so I can clean up in here a little bit. Anyway, I discovered the sleeve was stuck in behind the clutch spring there. I heated it up and soaked it with some penetrating fluid, and we had clutch action. I'll insert that little short video I did last weekend here. Anyway, after that, I put everything back together, the bell housing, the gas tank, and all that stuff back together on it. And fired it up, of course, and we have clutch action, so I need to do a little bit of adjusting with the fork still. I can't quite get the fork to turn on this inside here. There's a fork. If I lift the plate up, I'll show you guys. But I'm having a hard time getting that to turn on that shaft a little bit. Took the bolt out, I split it. There's a little split in there. You just wedge a chisel in there and try to open it up. But that bell housing might have to come back off to do that. Try to get this squared away a little better here, because I got quite a bit of play in my clutch. And of course, well, now the platform on here, I got to do some adjustments, because, well, I could push the clutch all the way down. They'd push the clutch in, but obviously with the platform up here now, we need to do some more adjusting. So anyway, I threw the hood back up on there just so it's not sitting on the shop floor. I mean, it's a pretty straight, good hood. I mean, somebody had painted this with a brush years ago. But what do you do about it? I mean, I'm probably going to end up wire wheeling it, of course, or I'll sandblast this when I do have the opportunity to have this one sandblasted. So maybe we'll get that on the video. Anyway, I dropped the platform on her today. Kind of tired of tripping over it in the shop, and of course I had the hard part out last week. Oh yeah, the shop's a freaking mess. What else is new? Anyway, dropped the platform up there. Doing a little bit of straightening out here. Is looking at one of those panels on the other side there. It's all rippled in and whatnot. So I took and had a piece of I-beam here at the shop. I was looking to pick up an anvil, but this works just as good. Gonna have a little crease in here to work out yet, but I got this pretty much squared away now. It was all twisted in the front, so that's off the other side there. If I can get it on camera, yeah, off the other side. Get that squared away so we can try to get these fenders straightened out. This one I got to do some bending on the strut supports, try to get it on the braces, try to get it a little bit more level. But yeah, they're a little bit rough in the back yet, but my plan is now I'm going to bolt this side down. I'm going to leave the side kind of loose because I got to do that axle housing still. I just want to set the platform down. I think what's going to happen here is that whenever I get that axle housing, I'll just take this fender off. I'll do the axle housing, but I need to move the tractor over, of course, to do that. And to do that, I need to get those tires put on there. And I need to obviously do some work with the drawbar, because I threw this plate back up there. And of course, I threw it on there upside down, so I wasn't really paying attention. And yeah, that's pretty much where we're at with the 80. She's coming together pretty quick. Got a fairly complete tractor to start a restoration now. I had some comments there on another video that from some of my long-term subscribers that watched me do the W4 and whatnot. And yes, the 80 is very more in depth than the W4 was, but it doesn't feel that way because I'm more familiar with the 80s. And of course, 1820s and whatnot. I grew up with these kind of tractors. So really, this doesn't feel like this bad of a project. I've seen a lot worse. So yeah, that water pump packing nut It's in behind the generator here. You might not be able to see it on camera. It's just right back in there. But when I do that, there's just drip now. Anyway, when I do that, I'll get you guys on camera here, and I'll probably just pull that generator off. Oh, don't mind the baby monitor. I'm watching the little guy also here, so I just got him fed up and whatnot. He just fell back asleep. So anyway, I'm gonna go back to daddy duty here and probably shut her down for the night, and we'll see you guys on the next one. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching.